4 competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion.
Giorgio has a stopwatch on his watch, and as soon as you said 20 minutes begins now, he clicked his watch. I've never seen that before in the Chop Kitchen.
No, I think it's the first.
I'm stoked that the ingredients allow me to go on a route I'm really comfortable with. Italian cuisine plays a major role in what I do, but I also love tacos.
I'm still collecting my thoughts.
Holy
I immediately put my noodles in the water, thinking I'm going to make soup. We'll see where it goes.
I just found out that my wife and I are having a baby. Financially, I'm scraping by right now. She said, you better go out and get him today.
There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way, be it a little or a lot. Also available to you, our pantry and fridge. Each round is timed. When the clock runs out, our judges will critique your dishes on presentation, taste, and also creativity. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped. Please open your baskets. And feast your eyes on Canadian bacon, roasted piquillo peppers, tomatillos, and instant noodle soup. You'll have 20 minutes for the appetizer round. Clock starts now.
I'm gonna make some with a little bit of the Canadian bacon and the instant noodle soup.
If I'm gonna make love to somebody, I'm gonna give you me. If I'm gonna cook for you, I'm gonna give you me. I wanna make a tortilla tasting plate.
But then I came up with a new idea. I'm thinking salad. I'm thinking stuff the piquillo with goat cheese and Canadian bacon.
I see the noodles, and I'm thinking fideuà. It's a Spanish paella with noodles instead of rice. I just found out that my wife and I are having a baby. Financially, I'm scraping by right now. She said, you better go out and get him today. Yeah.
This is a playground for us. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. But it's unreal how fast the time goes.
I don't know if it's fun, man, to be honest with you. Maybe it's gonna make me a stronger person. I stuffed the peppers. I have to get the salad on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Giorgio.
All right, chefs, what I've made for you today is Canadian bacon tacos.
Next, Chef Joe.
I made a tossed salad with stuffed piquillo peppers and a tomatillo vinaigrette.
Next, we have Chef Faye.
Yeah, this is a tortilla with Canadian bacon and smoked pepper. And then I was meant to put that tomatillo sauce into a little glass.
Thank you, Chef Faye. Finally, Chef David.
I prepared a traditional Catalan dish called fideuà with Canadian bacon, tomatillos, and piquillo pepper aioli.
The judges have made their decision. So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef David, you've been chopped. Chef Faye, Chef Giorgio, Chef Joe. Please open your baskets for the entree course. And we have cactus pear, squab, frozen lima beans, and farfar.
Farfar. I don't know what it is.
You have 30 minutes this time, beginning now.
I make a nice rub with the basics, like some onion powder, some garlic powder, and olive oil.
I'm thinking pan-roasted squab and the red wine reduction with the cactus pear.
I'm just gonna whack it in half and season it. I heard the judges say, don't be doing your happy dance until you know that what's on your plate is what you mean to be on the plate. And so I really want to focus and just get the job done.
A little panic. So I throw them back on the grill. It's important for me to just stay confident. A chop champion is someone that has faith.
We are at 2 minutes, 25 seconds.
I'm thinking the squab has the right texture. I think everything's going pretty good. The farfar, I crush it up and put it on top of the squab.
I season the farfar, but I toss it in with the lima beans and to add a nice crunchy component.
I'm up, I'm coming out. I really love this plate, but I'm worried about the squab. I figured there's such little birds that they would cook enough, but I don't know. I don't want this pigeon to run away with my $10,000.
Chef's 10 seconds.
There's 8 pieces of squab breast, and in the end, I pick out the 4 best that are cooked properly, and they go on the plate.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Please tell us about yours, Chef Joe.
Okay, chefs, I made a pan-roasted squab with a lima bean succotash, a little far crumble, and a red wine reduction with the cactus pear.
Next, we go to Chef Faye.
This is a seared squab. The stuffing is mascarpone with rosemary. There's also a side refresher salad.
Finally, we go to Chef Giorgio.
I made for you a barbecue squab with a cactus pear barbecue sauce and a farfar and lima bean succotash.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Faye, you've been chopped. Chef Giorgio, Chef Joe, final chance to show us what you're made of here.
I'm ready.
Absolutely.
Let's open these baskets. For your desserts, you must use cornflakes cereal, sweet red chili sauce, golden raspberries, and labne. 30 minutes for the final round, beginning now.
These are here. I have a lot of pride at stake here, playing for the girls in my life. I have my mom and my sister. I want to take them to Italy. So I want to take the labne and make a mousse with a little bit of lemon and vanilla. I want to take the raspberries and make a raspberry sorbet. Luckily, I remember equal parts of simple syrup to fresh fruit. I think that Joe has been doubting himself a little bit. You need to be your #1 fan right now. Just focus on the task at hand.
I'm not really sure what the heck labne is, but I taste it and it's yogurt. So I decided I want to do a chocolate frozen yogurt. But I look over my shoulder.
Joe has now got a problem. Ice cream machine is occupado.
Sucks, but you know what? Let him take the risk. Hopefully it fails. Instead, I'm gonna make some kind of chocolate yogurt pudding, and I want to do a cornflake brittle. I get my sugar on as fast as I can.
Giorgio evidently not getting enough color fast enough on those pieces of bread.
So he's gone and grabbed the torch.
1 minute to go.
I have crispy wontons, so I put the yogurt on there. Another wonton right on top. Shaking.
Joe's put together something that looks great. Do you think Giorgio is in the weeds here?
Yeah. He's running out of time.
It's the countdown to time's up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please step back.
Today, what I've prepared for you for dessert is a caramelized torrejas. It's being accompanied with a golden raspberry sorbet, a labne mousse, and a brittle made with the cornflakes.
Chef Giorgio, thank you.
Thank you.
Chef Joe.
I have a bourbon chocolate labne-filled sandwich, cornflake brittle, and a golden raspberry sweet chili coulis.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Joe, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Giorgio Rapicavoli, that you are the chopped champion.
This is a big deal.
I think you're well on your way to a very promising career.
My mom always just told me to follow my dreams, and a lot has to do with her. You know, a lot has to do with my mom, and a little emotional.